Hey all, I just wanted to share something which I built recently. It's uh, it's it's basically kind of a AI agentic system that can allow a user to query and visualize the database in a natural English language. So I built this application which has front end, back end, and is an AI agentic application. So there are a couple of agents in this which basically, work together to query the right data and then present it on the visual database. Um, so let me quickly show you what it is. It is something like this. Basically, it's a chat to DB kind of application where user can simply talk to the database in a natural English language, and based upon the query, the system or the application, which is AI agentic application, it go understands the query, makes the right kind of query to the database, pull the data, and then show the data in the required format. So as we are saying here, as pie chart, so it understands that it has to show as a pie chart. It shows it as a pie chart. When we say it as a line chart, it shows it as a line chart. So we can specify what kind of visualization we want on the data. So let me quickly show you how to use it. um, this is basically a running in Docker right now. So there are a couple of Docker containers which are running. One is for front end, one is for back end as a service, and one is a PG admin in case I want to manage the data. And one is actually the Postgres database. So if I show you, here is the PG admin console. So these are the tables in the database. It's basically kind of a order management system which has some tables like addresses, categories, customers, inventory, order items, orders, and all those. Right. So and I used Google AI Studio, basically Google AI, to fill up the database. So I asked Google to create some dummy data which is well distributed, and I simply inserted this data to the database. So we have some data in the database, and this is the front end of an application. And let's try to query something from the application. So okay, I listed down some of the queries. Let's see how it works. So I'm asking to show me the total number of products in each category as a bar chart. Okay, so uh, right now it will understand the intent of an application of an query. It is going to make a call to the database and then show it as a bar chart. Nice. So basically it's total number of products in each category. So these are the categories and these are the number of products in each of those. Cool. So next one is number of orders by status. Let's see, over time as a line chart. In this case it should show the line chart, and let's see what it shows. Under the hood, it is basically right now using OpenAI as an LLM. So if you see here, right, it shows different statuses of the order which we asked, right, order by statuses over time. So it has a timeline, right, and it shows all the orders by statuses. Nice. Monthly payment trend as a line chart. Okay. So basically we want to see, right, how each month the payments came through different payment methods, and show it as a line chart. So the data is actually from January to December, and in this case also it should show from January to December. Cool. So yeah, here it shows for cash 400. In April, cash is 0, credit card is $600, and for May it is 200 cash, 280 credit card, debit card 480. So this is very useful information for from the data and visualize as a trend line chart. Let's see bar chart, pie. Let's see the pie charts now. Okay, we'll ask it to show it as a pie chart. So it's a distribution of payment methods, basically. How much payment came through different methods over the whole year, and it is showing it as a pie chart. This is also nice, cool. So it understands basically what the user is looking for, and then it intelligently figures out how to query the data and how to visualize the data in the format which the user is asking for. So let's see the orders by status over time, and let's give from, let's say, Jan to June. So it should show from January to June, whereas the database it says no orders recorded in January to June. It's considering 2023. Okay, maybe we should say 2024, and hopefully it should be able to figure out that. Yes, so from January to June, whereas actually the data is from January to December, so it only pulls the data from January to June, show it as a line chart, although we did not ask it for line chart, but I understood that it's overtime, so a line chart would make more sense here. All right, and I would like to just show a couple of more queries which are also of similar kind of nature. Order by count. Okay, let's see the total number revenue. Yeah, let's see the revenue by bar chart. Total revenue per month from January to October as bar chart. Cool. So it shows us, for January it is $7,640. For February it's $25, and the same way for other months. And if we say the same thing as line chart, it should show us the line chart. And let's say September this time, and hopefully it should show only till September, but as a line chart. Cool. Yeah, from January to September as a line chart, you can see how much revenue came each month. So this is something which the all the business owners want. They want the data to be on their tips. They want to see how their business is performing, and they don't need the engineering teams in this case now to build these kind of dashboards, because now AI is quite smart enough, so we can have the simplified or more generic system like this, which can understand the intent, do the things for you. This is what the agentic software looks like. So I asked for pie chart from January to October, and it shows it as a pie chart. The same data that we saw here, we are asking it to present it as a pie chart. So this is something which I wanted to show, how the agentic AI applications work. This is one example. There could be many other use cases for these applications. This is a new way of building applications which are much more smart, generic, and can meet the different needs of the users. I think if you're a business owner, you should start thinking how to get these kind of capabilities in your business, how to make your business more smart. I would like to show you more such use cases, and I would like to show you how you can utilize these things for your business. Feel free to reach out to me in case you feel that I would be of some help to you as a business or as an individual to implement these kind of solutions, I'm always willing to help and provide my consulting services to you. So this is something, I hope you like it and you find it useful. So if I build something more on the similar lines, I will create another video for the same. But that's it for this one. I hope you like it. Thanks everyone.